Hey guys, I'm back, Rennie here, and it looks like we've got a bumper to install. So shall we get to it? This thing is massive. I don't know how I'm gonna do this by myself, but and here we have our 2007 Toyota Tundra. This baby is hot. And if you think it looks good now, it's about to get even hotter. You ready? All right, so what we have here is our nuts and bolts for the bumper, and then we've got frame reinforcement brackets and the necessary hardware for those. And then this sucker is the internal structure for your bumper. It's pretty awesome. Who needs a gym? I mean, really. So first thing we gotta do is take off the stock bumper, of course, and we wanna do this meticulously and carefully, so make sure you read your written instructions. Just so you know, some bumpers may vary. This particular one is a Toyota Tundra TRD. So this is a pretty big freaking bumper. And it's not that I can't handle it. You know, I can, but I don't wanna show you guys up, so we're gonna call in some reinforcements. Where you been all day? So we've taken off the stock bumper, obviously. And the next thing we have to do is Anyway, the next thing we have to do is install the frame reinforcement brackets, which requires some drilling. So our handy dandy Expedition 1 experts have installed the frame reinforcement brackets, as well as the bumper's internal structure, which means we can install the actual bumper. And I don't know if you can see, but this bumper actually already has a winch in it, which means it's like 250 pounds. So once again, we'll be calling in the experts for reinforcement. Good work, guys. Good work. Keep it up. Nice. So right now, what our handy dandy Expedition 1 experts are doing is they are tightening the bolts and they are leveling the bumper. And what they're doing is they're going in on this side first and they're tightening one bolt over there, and then they're gonna come in on this side and tighten a bolt over here, and then they can level it out and play with it a little bit and make sure it's even, and then they'll tighten all of them. Since it's kind of difficult to show you exactly what we're doing on the inside of this bumper here, this is a really great time to refer to your instruction manual that comes with your kit. Pretty simple, we're just installing the last fog light. Yeah. Tighten it up really quick. And we're good. So we've installed the front bumper, but now we gotta install the back bumper. But it's getting kind of late in the day, so we're gonna do this kind of fast. Don't blink. taken this Toyota Tundra from hot to badass, sexy, smoking hot. Now that's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching Expedition 1 TV. I'm Rennie. See you next time. I'm just kidding.